Alright, let's cut the fluff. If you want to stay ahead in 2025, you can't just rest on yesterday's code. The tech world's evolving fast, and if you're not moving forward, you're falling behind. So, here are the top 5 programming languages I think every experienced developer needs to have on their radar this year. First up, Python. Yeah, I know you've heard it a million times, but there's a reason for that. Python's versatility keeps it everywhere. Machine learning, automation, data science, web dev. The community's massive, the libraries are endless, and honestly, it just makes solving problems faster. If you're already using it, dig deeper. If not, now's the time. Next, JavaScript and TypeScript. I'm grouping these together because, let's be real, modern web apps need both. JavaScript's the backbone of interactive web, but TypeScript brings type safety and scalability. If you want to build high-performance, maintainable front ends, or even full stack with Node.js, don't sleep on these. Third, Rust. This one's been climbing the charts for a reason. Forget write once, debug everywhere. Rust is all about safety and speed, no garbage collector needed. If you care about performance, system-level programming, or just want to try a language that actually prevents data races, Rust's worth your time. It's not just hype, it's a career booster. Fourth is Go or Golang. If you're into cloud infrastructure, microservices, or just want concurrency that doesn't make you want to rip your hair out, Go's simplicity is a breath of fresh air. It's backed by Google, it compiles fast, and it's got a syntax that doesn't overcomplicate things. Want to build scalable servers? Go for it. Rounding out the list, C#. Now don't underestimate this one. With Netcore going cross-platform, C# is crushing it for enterprise, web, and even game development with Unity. The tooling is top-notch, and if you want to be ready for anything from cloud APIs to desktop apps, C# should be in your toolkit. Honorable mentions? Sure, Kotlin's huge for Android, Swift's essential for iOS, and yeah, SQL still runs the world's data. But if you master the 5 I mentioned, you'll be ready for whatever 2025 throws at you. So don't just code. Code smart. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips, tools, and deep dives to take your dev career to the next level. See you in the next one.